9,900 rupees. That's what leaves my account every single month before I even think about spending the rest. Almost everyone's heard of the 50-30-20 rule for how much to invest from their salary. I followed it too, until I realized the same percentage doesn't actually work for every income, every city, or every spending habit. In this video, we're not going to hand you one universal percentage and call it done. We're going to look at where that popular rule actually comes from, why it quietly breaks for a lot of real incomes, and stay with me because halfway through, there's a quick test to see whether your own number is actually working for you or just feels responsible. The 50-30-20 rule was popularized by Elizabeth Warren. Yes, the same Elizabeth Warren, before politics, when she was a Harvard economist, in her book All Your Worth, published in 2005. 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, 20% to savings and investing. It's simple, and simple is exactly why it's spread everywhere. But here's the problem. It assumes your needs will always sit around 50%, no matter your city, your rent, your dependence, or your actual spending habits. For a lot of people, that's simply not true. I started with that same rule myself, but once I actually tracked my own spending against it, the ratio didn't fit. So I adjusted it based on what I was genuinely spending, not what the rule assumed I should be spending. Today, at minimum, close to at least 50% of my salary goes into investing and saving every single month, sometimes more. Right now, 9,900 rupees goes into a SIP automatically every month with a 10% step up built in every single year, so the amount grows as my income does. Alongside that, I keep a portion in bonds, some in individual stocks, and an adequate allocation in gold, diversified rather than concentrated in one place. Time for that quick test. Think about your own number right now. Is it a fixed rupee amount, a percentage of your salary, or honestly, whatever happens to be left over at the end of the month? Drop your honest answer in the comments and comment discipline to get a step-by-step guide to implement the fix in your budget. Because the format you use changes everything about whether it survives a bad month. If your answer was whatever's left over, you're not alone. That's the most common answer there is. It's also the least reliable one because leftover shrinks the moment life gets a little more expensive. Here's the real strategy. Step 1. Before you copy any percentage, including the one I just gave you, track your actual spending for 3 full months. Your real 50, your real 30, your real 20 might look nothing like the textbook version, and that's fine. The number needs to fit your life, not a book. Step 2. Once you know your real number, pick it as a percentage, not a fixed rupee amount. A fixed amount stays frozen while your salary grows around it. A percentage scales automatically, the same way my own SIP does. Step 3. Build in a step up, the same way I did. Mine increases by 10% every year. Ideally, it should be more than the inflation percentage, so the investing side never quietly falls behind while everything else in life gets a little more expensive. That 9,900 rupees isn't a number I copied from a book. It's the number I got after actually running my own numbers, not just following the ones everyone else quotes. If you want more no-nonsense breakdowns like this, subscribe to InvestHar.